अभिनेत्री अमृता खानविलकर कायमच अनेक गोष्टींसाठी चर्चेत असते. अमृता आणि तिची आई सध्या बँकॉकमध्ये आहेत. चला तर मग पाहूया हा खास व्हिडिओ.
So now getting ready for the show. Seema!
Hi.
Don't leave. Till I get up. Rating the malls according to my shopping experience. Platinum Mall a super 9 on 10 because it has amazing local stuff. Of course there are fake branded goods which if you want you can buy, otherwise you can just skip it. But otherwise great local stuff, great food quality. Go and just indulge yourself. Palladium Mall was a very bad experience. Half of the shops were closed even on a Sunday. So literally 4 or 5 on 10. Central Mall, I think if you have tons of money and you want to just really go and buy all the fancy stuff, the branded stuff, yes, you can go and buy that. Also a tip for Platinum Mall, please carry cash. Card thing is little NG over there. Then Siam Mall is something that I'm going to try tomorrow. MBK Mall couldn't go, but right now Platinum is literally at the top.
तर आजचं आमचं सगळ्यात क्यूट शॉपिंग म्हणजे ही बॅग. एकतर ही साईज आपल्या इथे मिळत नाही, त्यात हा कलर इज लाईक अ बी कलर. सो हिचं नाव मी बी ठेवलं आहे आणि ही माझ्याबरोबर सगळीकडे आता शॉपिंगला चलणार, कारण हिने सगळं शॉपिंग असं गपकन खाऊन टाकलंय. सगळं शॉपिंग आलं माझं ह्याच्यामध्ये. ये